For this project, I'm going to be making a lamp out of this thing I found at a machine shop. If anybody has any ideas what it is, let me know down in the comments. First, I will be wiring the lamp socket to the lamp cord. I decided to go with this cord because I thought that the braided look matched the Edison bulb I will be using later on. Now, I'm going to be sanding the area where the socket will sit. I'm going to use epoxy to hold it in because I don't want to damage anything when I'm removing it later because I have other ideas for what I can do with this thing. Now, I can just screw in the bulb and put it back together. Lamps are really good to make for first projects, or if you just want to make something really quick, because they're pretty simple and there's not a whole lot of parts. Plus, you get to do some soldering and be pretty creative. You can see that I just ran the cord along the back here, and I just used a black zip tie to hold it together.